Welcome everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Likely you invested into the Vortex Magnetic Energizer, what I call the VME. And I'm going to demonstrate today some of the different uses with the VME and how we use the Triskelion and the lithos crystals. And if you invested into the Activate product or the plasma product, the platinum, the gold, the silver, how we can make them go the farthest by potentizing them with energized structured water. First thing I recommend is that we invest into a water distiller. We're finding a lot of toxins, thousands of toxins in our city water and even our well water this day. And so until we can turn this around, it's wise that we invest into a distiller. I have a mega home. It's a well-built distiller. I like it, but whatever distiller you find, it's got good reviews, and it fits into your budget is ideal. I do recommend getting one that has a glass catchment container. This is pretty important because the water is hot coming out of there, and we don't want to mix hot water or frozen water with plastic. They don't go well together. The plastic breaks down. So first thing, get our water pure. We then want to get this water cold. Before we vortex it, we want to get it cold. Refrigerator temperature is ideal. That's going to allow the gases that we're going to be imploding into the water to lock into the water molecule and to hold there. So when you get your kit, you take out your, you got the VME, we have our tensor ring, and we have the Triskelion. And then in the version, we have the lithos crystal. So we would put our ring on the bottle. We screw on our VME. I recommend a heavy rubber band. You find them on most of your broccoli, bunches of broccoli and other produce products, but any rubber band that's heavy duty and it's about the size of your bottle will work. And you would slip your Triskelion right behind the rubber band. Another thing you could do with this, you could put, if you had a water crock that you drank your water from, you could put the Triskelion onto the water crock. That would be just another option you could do. So we also want to make sure that we're adding minerals back into the distilled water, unless we are doing a detox. If we're doing a detox, let's say a 4, 5, 6 day detox, we can drink the distilled water straight. We still want to magnetize it and energize it, but this will help to pull the metals and toxins out of our body. But we wouldn't want to drink this all the time, because it's also going to pull minerals from our body when we do this. So we want to always add, when we are not detoxing, a good quality mineral. And I recommend the Omni Blue Ocean Mineral is a good mineral, and the Quinton Essential Mineral. We don't need to add a lot because we are potentizing our water. So whatever we put in here is being potentized and we can use a lot less. So today we're basically going to demonstrate how we can, using the product Activate, which is a combination of all the quality minerals and even minerals we don't hear on the table, and the monatomic plasma platinum and the monatomic plasma gold. So we want to make sure we shake our bottle well, because the fulvic and humic acid will settle at the bottom, and we're going to only need 6 drops. So this goes a long ways. 6 drops, and we are going to put the other bottle, the empty bottle, on top, thread it on, just snug. It doesn't have to be over tightened, and we invert it. And then we're going to do it 2 times counterclockwise, and you can see how I swirled my hand quite quickly in a circular motion, and it easily takes off. And now we're imploding the gases into the water. The minerals in the alchemical formula are being imploded into the water molecule. And this is also the time when we can actually, if you hold one hand on the upper bottle and one on the lower, You can literally go into, you can feel the energy that's happening, and it affects our bodies by doing this. Um, and at this place, this is where we could use things like resonance alchemy. You'll see a series of syllables on the website under the VME. In particular, like today, we'll do Akim Kabbalah. That's about restoring water back to its natural spring state. So as we're vortexing it, we're reciting Akim Kabbalah. Do that 6 to 9 times. And your water is very receptive. It's one of the most receptive and programmable substances on the planet. So just putting our intentions into the water and thanking the water for all the love, the light, the healing that the water is bringing to us, and thanking it if we have a condition going on in our body, we asking it and thanking it. Thank you for helping me with, say, an abundance of candida in my body. Thank you for balancing this out. The water listens. The water will listen. And another important thing of this whole free-flowing centripetal interwinding vortex is this. We are dropping the load, the memory, from the chemical toxins. So distillation and reverse osmosis, purification, we've only gone halfway. We've only cleared out the physical part of those chemicals. So the vibrational contaminants are equally as important. We've way overlooked this in the world of science, and we will come to see this more and more as we go down the road. The free-flowing centripetal interwinding vortex is the ideal way to erase this informational field that we don't want in our water, and bringing in the informational fields from the electrons, from the magnets, the tensor rings, from the energy from the tensor rings, and our prayer and blessings. We're now infusing our water with high frequency, high energy, and love and appreciation. So the other thing that we want to remember, and that is, once we drink this, we have made our water. I recommend you leave the ring on there. You put your cap on the bottle, and you go off to work. Well, if you bring some of your Activate, if you're taking that, or the plasma products, or have your bottle of mineral, a little bottle, take it with you, because what we can do is we can drink this down to where we have like a quarter of water left in the bottle. Then if we add filtered water back into the bottle, we add a few drops of the Activate or more minerals, we don't have to vortex it again. That is going to activate that water. And we can do this up to 2 times, okay? So one bottle spinning in the morning will get you through the whole day, definitely. You drink even 2 liters a day, you're doing pretty good. Some people like drinking a little more, but that's the concept, because the water is sharing its energy and information. Now we're going to have a little less gases in those other bottles of oxygen, but it is going to work. You're going to have some of the best water you could ever buy in the store. So next thing we want to remember to do, and that is to, when we get our stickers, our sacred geometry stickers, that we take a hair dryer or set it in the sun, get the sticker on the bottle warm, it helps, and then pull the stickers off, put your sacred geometry stickers on the bottles, and that helps with the informational fields and frequencies. And we have our new stickers, we have imprinted them with a specific scalar waves, and we're doing a form of quantum entanglement, is what it's called. So wherever that sticker goes, which is going to be which is the logo here, and don't be afraid, the business cards, anything you get, put this on your refrigerator, put it wherever, because there is a energy field that's constantly being broadcasted to this design, to this geometry. It's creating a frequency. So try to remember that. It could be beneficial to definitely do that. So one other thing is that the state power. Some people have asked, how long will this last? I recommend, once you vortex it up, it will last 3 to 6 days. Okay? And you can also I've done this before where I actually have a couple bottles, 2 or 3 bottles even, and I'll spin up 3 of them. I'll do one, I'll flip the bottle over to the next bottle, do another batch, and then I'm done for a while. Um, Whatever you feel guided in that place, you do what you feel guided. But I have found one bottle can go a long ways, actually. So if you have any, make sure you go into the instruction pamphlet if you have any questions, because it's pretty clear about the steps of what we want to do here. And all of our products are activated with different informational fields. Okay, so these are gold-plated magnets that are in the VME, and we have scalar activated everything. Our bags, the VME, the magnets, the rings, the Triskelions, everything is scalar activated. We put a lot of love into everything we do here at Vibrant Body Water because we want the best for you, because we care about you and we care about this planet. So just know that. And thank you again for being a part of having a healthier life and supporting the well-being of the whole.